accomplish with our app was to solve the stigma of UCSD of being socially dead. We personally found it hard to find clubs around campus and was annoyed of getting shoved flyers at Library Walk. So we decided to make a platform that enables students a fluid channel of communication between club advisors and members, produce club exposure and recommendations, and culls club information and event details. We developed using Android Studio and Firebase for backend. None of us had experience with these tech stacks and had to learn as time went on. We originally had plans to develop in iOS and Android, but due to time constraints, we stuck with Android because we all had Java experience. Some problems we faced were delegating tasks amongst our team members. We decided to create subcommittees. Each were responsible for different tasks. Angela and James were UI, Eric and Alex were timeline, Jason, Andrew, and Fernando were search, and Jerry and Albert were algorithms. We still encountered issues working on separate forks and branches on GitHub, but were able to just solve the merge conflicts. Other internal issues we solved simply by talking to each other. Overall, the team culture was great. No one really knew each other prior to the team formation, but we bonded and became friends quickly. When you first use our app, you don't really need to log in because we find it that most users just want to use our app by just looking at the events and club details. So here's the main timeline where you see most of the main events. The search bar is right here where you can search up hashtags. So if I want to search up a club that's art related, so hashtag art, it will autofill and it'll show you arts that have that hashtag art. Let's say you want to follow events and follow clubs. So what you can do is log in to the top left corner, hit on the Gary icon. You can return to the main timeline as a guest if you accidentally tried to log in, or you can hit sign up here. You can enter an email, so let's make email. And then you can hit sign up. And when you sign up, you have an option to create a username. So let's create a username. You will be greeted to the Discover page where you can choose which categories of clubs you are interested in. So let's say I'm interested in academics, media, social, and educational. And then you hit next, and then it will recommend you clubs. So let's favorite some. And then your timeline will be reorganized to a specific timeline based on the clubs you have favorited. You can then go see your favorited clubs, the top left corner, and your favorite following events. Currently we aren't following an event, so let's follow some. And then if you go back, it will show your favorite followed events.
You only get me when I'm eating. I just look like I don't do anything.